In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select multiple elements in Canva. This skill can be incredibly useful when you're designing and need to move, edit, or resize several items all at once. So whether you're creating a stunning presentation or designing social media posts, this step-by-step guide will make your workflow smoother and more efficient. To begin, let's navigate to canva.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in. Look for the login button located at the upper right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll have a few options on how to log in through Google, Facebook, or with your email. Pick the method that works best for you and enter your credentials. If you don't already have an account, make sure to sign up because Canva offers a wide array of tools that can elevate your design significantly. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to choosing the project you'd like to work on. From your Canva dashboard, select the design you wish to edit. This could be anything from a flyer, a presentation, or even a social media graphic. Following that, it's time to start selecting those elements. First, click on the initial element that you want to select. This could be an image, a piece of text, or any graphic element on your design canvas. Now, this is where the magic happens. Press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. While you're holding down Shift, continue to click on any additional elements that you also want to select. You'll notice each element you click gets highlighted. This means that all chosen elements are now selected, allowing for simultaneous editing. If you prefer using your mouse for selecting multiple items, there's an alternative method available as well. Simply click in an empty area of your canvas, hold down the mouse button, and drag your cursor around all the elements you want to select. Once you release the mouse button, you'll find all the items within that selection box are now highlighted. This is particularly helpful for situations where your elements are closely grouped and you want to quickly select them en masse. That's it! You've successfully learned how to select multiple elements in Canva. This straightforward technique can save you considerable time and effort, especially when working on complex projects. Remember, mastering small features like this can lead to a more efficient design process, allowing you to focus more on creativity and less on mundane tasks. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your design experiences with Canva. Happy designing!